Hi, bestie. I have some happy mail. Happy mail. Alright, so let's see what I got. Welcome to my page. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. My name is Miss Rule, aka Karen. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Welcome back. So sometimes I do some unboxings. So let's get into the things. I have my 2026 inserts. So I got my LV Agenda MM. Now I ordered my pocket agenda refill as well, but that's not in here. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the LV Agenda MM inserts for 2026. Okay. Alright, so let's see how the 2026. This blue is absolutely beautiful. Blue is my favorite color, so I am absolutely loving this blue. It's absolutely gorgeous. But of course, this is the cover here. So let's get into the inserts, guys. I'm not sure when my pocket agenda, I thought they would have shipped together, but today when I checked the email, it did say it would be a possibility that they wouldn't ship together. But I should have read my email, but I didn't. So let's look at it, and we're going to look at each monthly dashboard. So typically with my LV agendas for each month, when I actually place it in my agenda, I use Rose Shadow Collection dashboards. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see my dashboards that I've used in my 2026 agenda. Okay, so let's do the flip through. Alright, so and when you get a refill, you do get stickers as well with it. So those are the stickers. Okay, so this is the public and religious holidays for 2026 by each month, and then it has for each country as well as a reference, and it starts off with the last week of December always, and then each month the left side would typically just be a color page with the month name on there, and then on the right side is the dashboard for the month. And so we're just going to do a flip through of the dashboards for each month. So I'm loving the pink and the blue so far. Okay, so this one they did the green and the orange combo. Okay, the blue, man, I am absolutely loving this blue. I'm liking the pink too. And I am not a pink girly. Definitely not a pink girly. Okay, so we have a yellow here. Okay, blue again. Red. Yellow. So a lot of the main colors are blue, pink, yellow, orange, green. So that's basically it for the dashboards. And I will be adding them to my agenda closer to the end of the year, and I'll do a flip through of my setup. And if you're interested in seeing my 2025 setup of my LV Agenda MM. Let me know in the comments because I can do a flip through so you can see how my setup is for this year. And I do have the LV refills in my agenda now as well. Alright, bestie, have an awesome day. Toodles.